such a big grocery haul. It's such a big grocery haul, and let's just get started. Hi guys, and welcome back to another grocery haul. This is just pure madness. So just let's get into it. This is back to school week. I will be doing lunch videos and also breakfast, what the children eat for breakfast, because they're doing breakfast at home. So breakfast and lunch. So let's get started. So I don't want this to be a very long video. So I got some mandarins. I have 2 bags of these. Another one is over here. So I have 2 bags of mandarins. We have bell pepper, some lemon. Here you go. We have more peppers. So we have all different kind of peppers. We have some peeled baby carrots. Got 2 bags of those for the kids' lunches. Over here we have apples. We have 2 different kind of apple. This is, what kind of apple is this? I don't even know what kind of apple this is. I don't know what kind of apple that is. I just know it's apple. We have onion. Put this in the pantry. We have onion. We have green grapes. Fridge. We have more apple. I think this is Granny. Golden. This is Golden Delicious. Not very good with my fruits. Find a bowl under there and put those in. We have some plums. They call them prunes. There you go. Okay. Fridge. We have some peaches. Are these peaches?
Yes. Those are peaches.
Are they peaches?
Yeah, those are peaches.
Okay, peaches. We have peaches. I'm not too good at fruits. We have another bag of plums. Okay, we're getting to it. We have some Skippies. I want to try these for the children. Looks good. They're just peanut butter fruit bites. And someone got into it already. We have tomato.
Look at that though.
We have strawberries, 2 containers, because all 5 children will be taking lunches this year. We have some jalapenos. We have some spinach. We have some romaine hearts. More mandarin orange. We have some red grapes. We have 2 cucumbers. 2 very long cucumbers.
Mommy, I tried it.
Okay. We have some cheese. Colby Jack cheese. We have some, I can't believe it's not butter, Cheerios. Honey Nut Cheerios. Let's move faster. I have 4 minutes. We have some corn dogs. We have some Mott's. We have mandarin orange for snacks. We have Simply potatoes for breakfast. We have 2 bags. We have some tater tots for more breakfast. I have some Ortega Fiesta flats for, I want to try this for a recipe for the children's lunches this week. So stay tuned for that. We have some Sour Patch Go-Gurt, and we also have Danimals, the tubes. So I have that. We have, what is this? Cheez-It white cheddar. We have a whole bunch of mess here. We have Monster Trail. I think I have 4 of those. Then we have these guys, different flavors, all different flavors. Whole bunch of them, because Maddie drinks them and Jackson likes them, so I figured he could use those for snacks for his lunches.
There's no space.
We have some Cliff Bars. My husband and Destiny likes these, so I have a whole bunch of them. Yeah, a whole bunch of Cliff Bars because that's the snack thing around here now. I have a whole bunch of those. We have more of this guy and more trail mix. And then I have a whole bunch of fruit leather. We have some Annie's cheddar bunnies. And then we have some animal crackers. We have some complete cookies for my husband lunches. We have some Oreo thins. Some Red Hot Blues. Corn tortilla chips. My husband loved those. Got these for the boys. Got some sour cream and onion potato chips. Got some Z-Bars. These are the kids' Z-Bar caramel chocolate. Got some Kind Minis. 10 bars variety pack. Another 10 bar variety pack. We got some Kind Kids. I don't know why I buy two separate ones. We have some Lara Bar Kid brownie. We have a whole bunch of these Italian sides because I can always cook those really fast and give it to the kids for their lunches. We have some Fritos, more rice sides. We have some cherry tomatoes. We have 2 containers of those. We have macaroni and cheese. We have 4 containers. We have 4 things of these. We have some goldfish. We have the rainbow, and then we have the regular ones. We have some warm waters, 2 different flavors. We have some turkey. We have a whole bunch of cheese. We have pepper jack. We have provolone. And then we have just your regular block cheese for lunches. And you have your extra chop for lunches. 4 cheese and 4 cheese ravioli. Then we have some naan. I want to do a wrap for the kids for their lunch this week. We have hot dogs. We have some beef hot dogs, some thyme, some roast and blend for dinners, more sides, banana, string cheese, more cheese, more turkey, banana, more fruit stuff in container, lots of cheese, including the one Maddie bit through. Where is it? Maddie bit right through one of them.
I saw right here.
Yeah, this is what Maddie did this. She destroyed the cheese. Look at that.
She likes cheese.
So I got a whole bunch of those. We got milk, juice, whipped cream. I don't know why my husband have dairy whipping cream, topping cream.
Oh, because Daddy
He wants to be freaky tonight. We have some barbecue sauce. We have Danimal smoothies. We have 2 Danimal smoothies. We have more these things. Yeah, we have Hungry Jack for breakfast. We have Ritz crackers. We have Annie's organic bunny. We have eggs. We have more blue chips. My husband likes these. We have some instant mashed potatoes in the jar thingy. We have 2 of these, the beef thing, and that's it for this section. Over here we have a whole bunch of canned goods. I don't think I have to go through all of these. We have mild salsa over here. We have some strawberry jam red kidney, sweet peas. We have baked beans, vegetarian baked beans. We have Mexican style corn. We have peanut butter. We have condensed milk. We have tuna. We have corned beef down here, and then over here we have cinnamon roll. We have 2 cinnamon roll, and we have black beans. Black beans. Over here we have more. What are these? This is steak sauce. Then we have barbecue sauce. And then my husband is a fan of this. My husband is a fan of the Simply lemonade. So we got 2 of these. We got more eggs over here. We got some roast, some steak, some chicken drumstick and breast. We have avocado over here. We have some burger for dinner. One of these nights we have some instant noodle. We have bagel. We have tortilla. I love these guys. This guys, the crisp apple, so good. So I got a bunch of those. Instant noodle again. Wishbone blue cheese. And then this is the French deluxe. More tortilla, whole bunch of breads. My husband loved this cracker. It's the Goya cracker. We got potato bread. We have King's Hawaiian bread. We have hot dog rolls. We have more Goya cracker because we just love. We have more instant noodle cups. We have a thing of honey roasted peanuts. Goya Sazon, my husband loved those. We have some steak. Simply lemonade, but this one has blueberry, some whipping cheese, toilet paper,
Water.
Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this week's grocery haul. I know it was a big haul. Usually don't do such a massive grocery haul, but because the kids are going back to school and they're going to be eating breakfast and taking lunch to school, that's the reason why we have so much food. But on any given day we don't have this much food in our house, so don't worry, we're not just greedy people, just whatever. And anyways, so that was about $700 worth of food, and I think that will last us for 2 weeks, give or take 3, but 2, because I still have to go back and buy meat for the next week, and then the following week, and then another week, so on and so forth, whatever. You guys get the drift. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next haul. Bye guys.